Welcome back to Word Warehouse. In this video, we'll go beyond the usual meanings and explore common English words that often hide other uses and nuances. Cart. A small vehicle with wheels used to carry things. She pushed the shopping cart through the supermarket. The farmer used a horse-drawn cart to carry hay. Cart is a simple open vehicle used mainly to carry goods, often pulled by a horse, while carriage is a more comfortable and elegant horse-drawn vehicle designed to carry people, especially for rides or transport. Tourists took a ride in a horse-drawn carriage through the old town. Wagons were used to transport goods on western ranches. Chest. The front part of the body, between the neck and the stomach. He felt pain in his chest after running. Chest. A strong box or container used for storing or protecting valuable items. The pirate hid the treasure in a wooden chest. Chest of drawers. A piece of furniture with several drawers used for storing clothes or personal items. She put her clothes in the chest of drawers. Chief. The leader or person in charge of a group or organization. The fire chief arrived at the scene. The chief of police held a press conference after the incident. The CEO announced major changes to the company's strategy. Chief is used for formal or official leadership positions and often appears in job titles, while boss is an informal word used in everyday situations to refer to the person you work for directly. My boss asked me to stay late. Chimney. A vertical pipe that lets smoke escape from a building. Smoke rose from the chimney on a cold morning. The fire burned in the fireplace, and the smoke went up the chimney. Birds were nesting on the chimney stack. Clue. A piece of information that helps solve a problem or mystery. The police found a clue at the crime scene. Coat. A piece of clothing worn over other clothes to keep warm. He put on his coat before going outside. Coat. A layer covering something. The table has a coat of paint. A fresh coat of paint. The room looks brighter after a fresh coat of paint. Coat. Animal. The layer of hair or fur that covers an animal's body and protects it. The fox has a thick coat to protect it from the cold. Fur. The soft, thick hair that covers the skin of some animals, especially when referring to texture or material. The fox's fur keeps it warm in winter. She wore a fur coat to stay warm during the winter evening. Sugar coat. To make something unpleasant seem more acceptable by presenting it in a nicer way. He tried to sugarcoat the bad news. Don't sugarcoat the truth. Just tell me what happened. He sugarcoated the news of his dismissal. Coast. The land next to the sea. They walked along the coast at sunset. The coastline is famous for its beautiful beaches and cliffs. Color. Color. The appearance of something based on light and shade. Blue is my favorite color. Colored. Having a particular color. She bought colored paper for the project. Colorful. Having many bright colors or being lively and interesting. The market is full of colorful stalls. Coloring. Coloring. The act of adding color to something or the colors themselves. Children enjoy coloring books. UK versus US spelling note. British English uses color and coloring, while American English uses color and coloring. The meaning is exactly the same, only the spelling changes. Company, an organization that sells goods or services. She works for an international company. According to company policy, employees must wear ID badges at all times. The Company Men, 2010, starring Ben Affleck, Tommy Lee Jones, and Chris Cooper, is a drama about corporate layoffs during an economic crisis. The film explores how losing a job can deeply affect identity, dignity, and family life. Company means a business or organization, while companion refers to a person or animal that accompanies someone. She brought her dog as a companion on the trip. Corporation. A large, legally registered company or business organization, Apple is a multinational corporation. Council. A group of people elected or appointed to make decisions. The City Council approved the new law. Council is a group that makes decisions, often in government, while counsel means advice or legal advice. Counsel. Advice given formally or professionally. She sought legal counsel before signing the contract. County. An administrative area within a state or country. He lives in a rural county. Coup. A sudden and illegal takeover of government power. The military staged a coup. The military tried to stage a coup against the government. Couple. Two people or things considered together. The couple moved into a new house. I'll be away for a couple of days. Coupon. A ticket or code that gives a discount. I used a coupon to save money. Cream. A thick white liquid made from milk or used on skin. Cream. A thick substance used on the skin for care or treatment. She applies face cream every night. She uses a moisturizing cream to keep her skin soft. Consultant. An expert who gives professional advice. The company hired a consultant to improve efficiency. Corridor. A long, narrow passage inside a building. The offices are at the end of the corridor. Cost. The amount of money needed to buy or do something. The cost of living has increased. Cost. Expression. Win at all costs. Used to mean achieving a goal no matter the negative consequences. I don't believe in the notion of winning at all costs. He wanted to win at all costs. She was determined to protect her family at any cost. Costume. Clothes worn for a party, performance, or special event. He wore a pirate costume to the party. Cozy, cozy. Warm, comfortable, and pleasant. The living room felt cozy on a winter night. Covert. Hidden or secret. They ran a covert operation at night. Current account. A bank account used for daily transactions. I pay my bills from my current account. Curriculum vitae, CV, and resume are both documents used when applying for jobs, but they are used differently depending on the country and context. A curriculum vitae, CV, is commonly used in the UK, Europe, and in academic or research fields. It is a detailed document that includes education, work experience, skills, and academic achievements, and it can be several pages long. She submitted her curriculum for the university position. A resume is mainly used in the United States and Canada. It is a shorter document, usually 1 or 2 pages, that highlights work experience and key skills relevant to a specific job. In short, a CV is more detailed and formal, while a resume is concise and job-focused. She sent her resume to several companies. Cushion. To reduce the impact or effect of something. Savings can cushion the impact of inflation. The helmet helped cushion the impact of the fall. The insurance will cushion the blow of unexpected medical expenses. The airbags cushioned the blow during the crash. Cutlery. Knives, forks, and spoons used for eating. The restaurant set the table with clean cutlery. Excuse me, could you please change the cutlery? Could you replace the cutlery, please? May I have some fresh cutlery, please? Cute. Attractive in a pretty or charming way. The puppy is really cute. Creature. A living being, especially an animal. The forest is full of strange creatures. Man is a creature of habit, a phrase meaning that people tend to repeat the same behaviors and routines and find comfort in familiarity. He eats the same breakfast every day. Man is a creature of habit. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you see familiar words from a new perspective. See you in the next video.